Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to use my personal coupon code. Like if you wanna purchase JarveePro, let's go to the website. Let's scroll down to find the pricing. Check which version you want to buy. Say you want to buy the enterprise version to manage unlimited accounts for 4 sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Let's go. This is for a month, a year, and lifetime. Let's go with this one. Put your email here. Say Daisy. And this is my email. We continue. Here we can enter the coupon code to get 10 off. Say the price changed, and then we confirm. Here's how we go to the pricing page after the discount. And from this page, you can just go with the way you want to continue with the payment. PayPal, crypto, yeah, or payment more. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it helps.